David Baker, Demis Hassabis, and Zhao are the winners of the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. They have won the Nobel Prize for their fundamental work in the computational protein designs and structure prediction. Proteins are big biomolecules. Their building blocks are L-amino acids. David Baker has created the artificial protein Top7 together with Brian Kuhlmann and Gautam Dantas. Top7 is also classified as a de novo protein, a protein with a specific structure and functional properties. It has a unique three-dimensional structure. Demis Hassabis and Zhao have won the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for creating AlphaFold, an artificial intelligence AI program developed by DeepMind which predicts the structure of complex proteins. A big protein molecule has a primary, secondary, tertiary, and a quaternary structure. Conformations are possible 3D structures that result from the rotation of single bonds. A big protein molecule can have up to 10 to the 300 possible conformations. AlphaFold was able to predict the correct 3D structure with very high accuracy. For comparison, the total number of atoms in the universe is predicted to be between 10 to the 78 to 10 to the 82. AlphaFold has solved the problem like a human would do by breaking the big structure into many small substructures. These revolutionary discoveries have many applications, for example in the fields of biology and medicine. Congratulations to the winners David Baker, Demis Hassabis, and Zhao. Thank you for watching.